You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name correctly, a name of Spanish origin, which is also used in Mexico, and that's the name of a city in California, a city. So let's look at the Spanish pronunciation, or listen to it. We can't really look at it, can we? Vallejo, 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 or Vallejo. Some may pronounce in Central South America. Now, if you cannot pronounce all Spanish perfectly, you can say Vallejo. Vallejo would be how the name of the city in California is pronounced, or Vallejo. How do you pronounce it yourself? Vallejo or Vallejo? Let me know. Let us know in the comments. How do you say the name of the city in California? Vallejo? I think it's pronounced locally Vallejo. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.